Have you ever dreamed of waking up to the sound of waves crashing, walking along sandy shores, and enjoying the kind of weather that makes winter coats a distant memory? Welcome to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, a place where the beach isn't just a destination, it's a way of life. It seems like everyone is moving here lately, and today, we're going to explore why Myrtle Beach is stealing the show. Spoiler alert, it's not just the beach, but oh, what a beach it is! Let's start with the main attraction, the 60 miles of pristine coastline. That's right, 60 miles. The sparkling Atlantic Ocean, soft white sand, and picture-perfect sunsets make Myrtle Beach feel like it's straight out of a postcard. Whether you're into swimming, fishing, jet skiing, or just kicking back with your toes in the sand, there's no shortage of ways to soak up the beach life. And if you're the adventurous type, you can even book a dolphin tour or try parasailing. It's the kind of place where the hardest decision you'll make all day is whether to build a sandcastle or read a book. But Myrtle Beach isn't just about the ocean. Let's talk weather. Imagine living in a place where the average temperature is 74 degrees Fahrenheit and you get over 200 days of sunshine a year. Tired of shoveling snow? Forget it. Myrtle Beach winters are so mild you might find yourself wearing flip-flops in January. Sure, we get the occasional hurricane scare, but locals know how to handle it. Stock up on snacks, stay indoors, and let Mother Nature do her thing. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. Myrtle Beach has a lower cost of living compared to other coastal hotspots. Housing is a steal, with homes here priced significantly lower than in Charleston or Wilmington. Whether you're looking for a beachfront condo, a family home, or even an investment property, Myrtle Beach has something for every budget. Plus, the cost of gas, groceries, and other essentials is pretty wallet-friendly too. That means more money for ice cream, right? Speaking of treats, Myrtle Beach is a foodie's paradise. The area is packed with restaurants serving everything from fresh seafood to good old southern comfort food. Want shrimp and grits with an ocean view? Done. Craving a burger at a retro diner? You've got it. And don't even get me started on the pancake houses. They're practically a religion here. For those thinking about family life, Myrtle Beach has you covered. The Horry County School District is award-winning, with plenty of public, private, and charter schools to choose from. Plus, there are 2 universities and a technical college for higher education opportunities. So while the kids are getting smarter, you can enjoy a round of golf at one of the area's 100-plus courses, or a round of mini-golf if that's more your speed. And let's not forget the sense of community here. Myrtle Beach has that small-town vibe where neighbors actually say hello, and community events are a regular thing. Whether it's a local fundraiser, a beach yoga class, or a craft fair, there's always something happening to bring people together. Southern hospitality isn't just a phrase here, it's a way of life. Now, here's a fun thought. If you moved to Myrtle Beach, what would you do first? Would you hit the beach, explore the shops, or grab a plate of shrimp and grits? Let me know in the comments. I can't wait to hear your plans. And for those who love the great outdoors, Myrtle Beach has plenty to offer. From scenic walking trails to horseback riding on the beach in the fall, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy nature. Yoga on the beach at sunrise? Yes, please. And if you're more of a water person, the Intracoastal Waterway and Murrells Inlet provide endless opportunities for boating, kayaking, and fishing. Finally, let's talk about jobs. Myrtle Beach's economy is booming thanks to its thriving tourism industry. From hospitality and retail to healthcare and education, there are plenty of opportunities for work. And with more people working remotely, you can literally turn the beach into your office. How's that for a work-life balance? So why is everyone moving to Myrtle Beach? It's simple: affordable living, gorgeous weather, endless activities, and a community that feels like family. It's the kind of place where life slows down just enough for you to actually enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if Myrtle Beach is calling your name. As always, safe travels, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.